I was driving from Tokyo to Ikaho Onsen. It was a clear morning. I was looking forward to the trip. My navigation app was on. The blue line on the screen showed me the way. I just had to follow it. I used to drive differently. Before navigation, I wrote the turns on a notepad before I left home. I kept it on the seat beside me. Sometimes I missed a turn. Sometimes I got stuck in traffic with no way to know how long it would take. That morning, an app showed me something new. There was congestion ahead on my planned route. The app suggested a different road. It was not the way I had planned to go. I decided to try it. The new road was quieter. There were fewer cars. The scenery was different too, more open, more green. I thought about the old way. If I had taken my usual route, I would have been sitting in traffic right now. I would have arrived late. But I wasn't in traffic. I was moving, and the road was taking me somewhere I hadn't expected. Then I saw it, a small building on the side of the road. It had an old American diner sign out front. I almost drove past it. I pulled over and went inside. Music was playing. Old American rock and roll from the 1950s. It was loud enough to feel, but not too loud to ignore. The walls were covered in posters and photographs. Old cars, motorcycles, chrome and color everywhere. The owner was a Japanese man in his 50s. He had the look of someone who had spent a long time building exactly the place he wanted. He brought me a burger and a plate of thick French fries. The burger was juicy and the fries were hot. It was exactly the kind of food I wasn't expecting to find on this road. I sat there for a while. The music kept playing. Outside, the road was quiet. I got back in the car. The blue line was still there, waiting. Ikaho was still ahead. I followed it, feeling a little lighter than before.